I'll miss you.
I'll miss you. Hindi ko natiis eh, kasi sarap eh. Kailangan ko ng beer. Yummy crispy calamari and ice cold beer with this view in front of me. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
Tay.
When I just turned 20. I don't know. So Nanay wants to order something. What are we having?
Gusto ko ng truffle pasta nila, masarap. Truffle pasta. Yun lang, huwag na tayo mag-pizza.
Pasta lang.
Tsaka something like pika-pika lang. Huwag
Ano
na.
ba yung mga menu dito? Breads. Grilled rib pie. First page. Champagne.
Basta dito tayo.
Iniikot ko siya actually. Eh, sumandal na ako. So, it's the beverage. Antipasti. Pizza. Not bad. Alright. So what are we having? Sige na.
Truffle
So
pasta.
dadali nila dito?
I think
Di-deliver nila.
truffle pasta.
Or they will serve it. Serve nila dito. May Ella's still sleeping. Si nanay. Mayroong dance performance dun. Mas maraming tao na ngayon kasi Wednesday na rin. Dahil Sunday we arrive in Boracay, syempre mas maraming tao nun. Pero yesterday konti na lang. Pero today parang mas dumadami na yung guests ulit. Parang Zumba. May pa-Zumba dun.
Ay, ang dami na nila.
Right. 5 o'clock na, baka dumating na si Southwest Tours 5:30. Alright, we'll see you guys.
How's the calamari?
Sarap. Gusto ko ng beer.
Exactly.
Sarap.
How about the truffle pasta?
Truffle pasta pa tawag.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ano yung nasa ibabaw niya?
Bacon?
Bacon?
I think parang bacon or ewan ko. Baka mushroom.
Okay din. Riella's awake! Hello! Nanay ordered you the... Ay, wala na rin. Ay, hindi na abot. Kaya gising siya. Oo. Anong oras na? 5:15. Oo, 5:15. Darating si South. Ayan na. Thank you. Hindi ko natiis kasi sarap Kailangan ko ng beer. So
Sarap ng calamari. Hindi siya nakatiis. Order ng beer. Bali, bottoms up na yan ng 5 minutes kasi palis na kami ng 5:30. Good morning, dear. You're gonna miss Movenpick? You're going back? Wala pa siya sa mood.
Yummy crispy calamari and ice cold beer with this view with me. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tay.
I just turned 27. Happy birthday. How was your sleep, baby? Sunset na. Sunset na. Hindi natin abutan yung pinaka-sunset.
Oh, bird!
Right, 5:25 na. Straighting ko na to. And then, ikot lang ako, pakita natin, tingnan natin kung may sunset na maganda. And balikan natin ang konti si DJ. Last ikot na sa view na to. Ayan, ang ganda. Alright. And then, tingnan natin kung kaya pa namin kayo isama until makarating kami ng airport so that you can see the Southwest Tours transfers also. Alright. Straighting ko na. Not much talking now. Bye.
Bye.
Riella will go with me. Say goodbye to the beach na. To Movenpick. Say goodbye to the kiddie pool.
Bye-bye.
Pinky is right here also. Pinky's right here. Alright. Okay, come on. Let's go around. Don't be quick. Alright. There's a DJ there, nako. We're gonna see the DJ later. Okay. Sige, Nak, you walk and then show me around. Nak, I'll follow you. Come on.
Bye-bye.
Alright. What do you... See you again soon, beach. Did you love the beach? What is that? Oh, you see the birds hopping in the sand. Okay. What? Say it again?
See you in another day when we go back to Movenpick.
See you another day, beach, when we go back to Movenpick. Uh-huh. Alright.
Bye-bye, baby. We'll see you again there next time.
I had fun.
We have fun. Bye. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you.
Again.
See you again. Here's the pool, oh. Ganda. Okay. Let's go back. That's the door na Koy that you took a picture with, right? A red door. So ito na sa Southwest Tours. We're going home, baby. This is it. Bye bye, Boracay. See you again soon.